Good evening. The frontline Indian stock indices ended with modest gains today due to some choppiness in the afternoon trade as investors remained on guard ahead of the eagerly awaited ECB policy meeting later in the day. Indian markets had opened on a flat note and remained stuck in a narrow trading range in the first half. However, sentiment got fillip after the European markets opened with smart gains and gained further ground as the day progressed. The BSE Sensex was up by 32 points to close at 17,346 and the NSE Nifty was up by 13 points to close at 5,238. Wipro, Ambuja Cement, ACC, Infosys, Jindal Steel, Tata Motors, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank and NTPC were among the notable gainers in the Sensex and Nifty. On the other hand, BHEL, ITC, Bharti Airtel, Renbaxi, IDFC, Hero MotoCorp and Power Grid were among the top losers. The India VIX on the NSE ended lower by 0.2% to close at 16.98. The broader indices also gained moderately, leading to a favorable market breadth. The BSE Mid-Cap Index was up by 0.3%, while the BSE Small Cap Index gained 0.2%. Among the sectoral indices, IT and Tech led the pack of gainers, up by 2.6% and 1.9% respectively, buoyed by weakness in the rupee. Auto, pharma and bankex were the other sectors that advanced. Meanwhile, FMCG, consumer durables and capital goods were the only declining sectors. Power, oil and gas and realty ended flat. Earlier, the main Indian equity benchmarks had struggled for direction in the morning trade, tracking indecisive global cues as investors stayed on the sidelines before Thursday's important ECB policy announcement. The DAX in Germany was up by 1.3%, while the CAC 40 index in France rose by 1%. The FTSE 100 in the UK advanced by 0.6%. Japan's Nikkei average ended almost unchanged, while Shanghai Composite Index was up by 0.7%. The Hang Seng rose by approximately 0.3%, while the Australia's S&P ASX 200 was up by 0.8%. The Kospi in South Korea gained 0.4%, while the Straits Times Index in Singapore fell by 0.25%. And the TAIEX in Taiwan was down by 0.5%. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.